Hello everyone, I am Monica. Today our topic is articles. There are two types of articles, indefinite article and definite article. A, an, indefinite article. The is the definite article. We will use a and an before countable singular nouns. A before countable singular noun and an before countable singular nouns having the vowel sound of A, E, I, O, U. Means if we have vowel sound, in that case we will use an, otherwise we will use A for countable singular nouns. And we will use the before definite or particular person or things. And used before vowel sound A, E, I, O, U. For example, an apple, apple, an envelope, an ink pot, an orange, an umbrella, an honest man. Here you can see the vowel in these words. The first letter of these words is vowel. But remember, you will not go with the word or the spelling. You will go with the vowel sound. For example, honest. Here, H is not the vowel, but the sound honest. O. Here you have vowel sound. So you use an honest man. Likewise, an emmy. M is not a vowel, but the sound a is vowel sound. So use an emmy, an MLA, an ox, an Indian. So if you have vowel sound, then you will use an. A is used before words that begin with a consonant sound. For example, a European, a university, a uniform, a unit, a useful cow, a 1 rupee note, a ear, a yellow shirt. The letter Y can function either as a vowel or a consonant. In the case of the word ear, it functions as a consonant. So we will use a before those words which begin with a consonant sound. Now, when we will use the is used with a singular noun to represent a whole class. For example, the lion is the king of the jungle. Here, lion is used here for all the lions in the jungle. So, the word lion represent a whole class. So, we use the lion is the king of the jungle. Likewise, the camel is the ship of the desert. Here, camel is used for all the camels. So we use the before camel, the camel. Next, to speak of a definite or a particular thing or person. For example, he is the man he wanted to see. Here, the man is a particular person whom he wanted to see. So we use the word, the article, the. The is also used before the name of families. For example, the Sharmas, the Vermas, the Nobels, the Gills, the Punyas, etc. Before the name of important buildings. For example, the Taj Mahal, the Red Fort. These are the names of important buildings, so we will use the article the before these buildings. Next, before the name of important trains, the Rajdhani Express, the Kashmir Mail, the Palace of Wheels. These are the names of important trains, so we use the before these names. Next, before the name of important religious books, the Gita, the Quran, the Guru Granth Sahib, the Bible. So we will use the before the name of these religious books. Next, before the name of religious community like the Hindus, the Muslims, the Sikhs, the Christians, the Jews. Next, the before the name of newspaper and before the name of magazines. The Tribune, the Times of India, the Reader's Digest is the name of a magazine. Before the name of groups of island, the Andaman, the Nicobar. Before the name of rivers, seas, and oceans, rivers like the Ganga, the Nile, seas like the Arabian Sea, ocean like the Indian Ocean. We will use the before the name of mountain ranges like the Himalayas, the Alps, before the name of races, the English here used for the people of England. So the English, the Punjabis, the Americans. We will use the before the name of certain states and countries like the Punjab, the USA, the UK. Before the name of desert, the Sahara, the Thar Desert. Before the name of directions, the east, the west, the north, the south. Before the name of commissions, the Mandal Commission, the Sarkaria Commission, and we also use the before superlative degree, the tallest man, the happiest man. Here tallest and happiest are superlative degree, so we use the before these superlative degrees. Before physical position, expressing words like on the top of, at the top of, at the bottom of, the front of, the center of, the outside, the back of, the inside. We will use the before the names of government branches or armed forces like government branches, the judiciary, the executive, the police, the legislature, armed forces like air force, the army, the navy. Before historical empire, the Roman Empire, the Mughal Empire, the Vijayanagar Empire. Before the name of historical event like the Battle of Panipat, the French Revolution, the Civil War, the Russian Revolution, the Industrial Revolution. We will use the before historical period or age like Restoration period, Middle Age, Victorian Age, the Renaissance. Before the name of political parties, the Bharatiya Janata Party, the Congress Party, the Democratic Party, the Communist Party. Next, before ordinal adjectives. Ordinals means first, second, third, next, last. So, the first Prime Minister of India, the last chapter of the book, the next bus, the second Chief Minister of Haryana. Next, before the name of those things which are invented, like the television, the telephone, the stethoscope, the cinema. So, all these things are invented. So, we will use the before these. Before the name of museum, library, hotel, theatre, club, etc. For example, the British Museum, the British Library, the Ashoka Hotel, the Globe Theatre, the Lions Club. So we will use the before all these. Next, before parts of body, like I caught him by the arm, by the arm. Cancer of the lung. If we have some disease in our body part, then we will use the before the before that particular part of the body. For example, cancer of the lung, inflammation of the throat. Before some of, both of, all of, most of, many of, half of, a large number of, the majority of, none of. For example, all of the girls have gone there. So we will use the before all these. Next, If we have date, after that O, and after that month's name. For example, the 14th date of and month November, the 14th of November, the 5th of September, date of and then month. So we will use the here. In an addition of these, we will use the sun, the star, the moon, the North Pole, the fog, the rain, the sunshine, the earth, the equator, the sea, the pole star, the smoke, the town, the weather, the air, the universe, the sky, the country, etc. So, in brief, there are two types of articles, indefinite article and definite article. If we have vowel sound, then we will use an, and if we have a consonant sound, then we will use a, and we will use the before definite or particular person or things. Thank you.